DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Your ultimate pocket-sized cinematic partner with 4K, smooth tracking and crystal clear audio. Take your vlogging, photography, and videography to cinematic levels with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Designed to pack pro-level quality in your pocket, it features a 1-inch CMOS sensor and records in stunning 4K 120 fps, capturing every detail with breathtaking clarity. Even in low light, with advanced 3-axis stabilization, your footage remains silky smooth, whether you're chasing sunsets or vlogging on the go, delivering unmatched results compared to typical handheld cameras. ActiveTrack 6.0 and fast focus technology keep you or your subject in perfect frame without hassle. This pocket-sized powerhouse follows your every move, ensuring you're always center stage, whether spinning, dancing, or simply striking a pose. The intuitive 2-inch touchscreen makes framing and shooting a breeze, and it quickly switches between horizontal and vertical modes for the best composition every time. Plus, the Osmo Pocket 3's advanced color grading gives each scene the cinematic touch you crave. Audio quality is as impressive as the visuals. Thanks to the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, your voice comes through crystal clear, making it ideal for interviews, vlogs, and live streams. With stereo recording, each memory is enriched with immersive, lifelike sound. No bulky equipment here. This pocket-sized vlogging solution fits in any bag and is perfect for spontaneous moments, travel adventures, and family gatherings, making it a tech-savvy investment worth every penny. Capture captivating time lapses, ultra-slow motion, and stunning 180-degree panoramas with features like motion lapse, 4K 120 fps slow-mo, and spin shot. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 handles it all effortlessly, giving your footage a unique, professional edge. Save time with its all-in-one capabilities. No need for complex setups or additional gear. Just pull it out, shoot, and share in seconds, knowing you've captured every moment at the highest quality. Backed by DJI's stellar reputation for quality and innovation, the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is built to last and crafted for convenience. Its compact, durable design means you'll have a powerful creative tool that stands up to the demands of your adventures. If you're serious about capturing life's best moments in their truest form, the Osmo Pocket 3 is your go-to device, setting a new standard in portable vlogging and photography.